Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a BMW X3 fuel pump. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is cool. Always disconnect the battery's negative terminal to prevent electrical hazards. Next, relieve the fuel system pressure. This is a critical safety step before accessing any fuel components. Gather your tools, including a specialized fuel pump locking ring tool, which makes removal much easier. Now, let's get to the fuel pump. The fuel pump on a BMW X3 is typically located under the rear seat. Carefully remove the rear seat cushion to expose the access panel. You might need a trim removal tool for this. Once the panel is visible, clean the surrounding area thoroughly to prevent dirt from entering the fuel tank during the replacement process. This step is crucial for maintaining fuel system integrity. With the access panel open, you'll see the fuel pump assembly. Disconnect the electrical connectors and carefully detach the fuel lines. Be prepared for some residual fuel to spill, so have rags ready. Use your specialized fuel pump locking ring tool to unscrew the large retaining ring. Once the ring is loose, you can gently lift the old fuel pump assembly straight out of the fuel tank. Take care not to damage the fuel level sender. Now for the installation of your new fuel pump. Carefully insert the new fuel pump assembly into the tank, ensuring the new gasket is properly seated. Use the locking ring tool to tighten the retaining ring securely. Reconnect all fuel lines and electrical connectors, making sure they click into place. Finally, reconnect the battery, turn the ignition to the on position a few times to prime the system, and then start the engine, checking for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.